Hi, I'm Heather and welcome to my pretty shitty kitchen. I have been left to my own devices for the next 3 weeks because my boo, my main squeeze, I'm wearing 11, my main squeeze. He's gone off to Japan for 3 weeks. So because he's going to Japan, I've decided that I'm going to try and make a few Ghibli recipes while he's gone. For my first recipe, I have chosen the ramen from Ponyo. This is the recipe that I am using. It's one of the nicer looking ones that I found. So here's my ham and my spring onions, but they're not spring onions, ignore that. Vegetable stock. I didn't feel like paying 40 rand for vegetable stock, so that's what we got. We got that for 6 rand, no, for 12. And some instant noodles, some not the right stuff, and some dashi. So this is supposed to be miso, but it's just soybean paste. It's gonna be fine. The first thing I'm going to do is make this stock. I only need 1 cup of vegetable stock. This shit makes 2. That was awful. Okay. And I'm gonna pop it in my cup and make my stock. So adding my water. I don't have a measuring cup, so I'm just guessing this one's good enough. We have some stuff going on in there. Sweet, that's the first thing I've got to do. Now I'm gonna boil an egg. Would you like to come with me? And you'll be in the kitchen. So I'm gonna boil an egg now. Ooh, let's do it. Okay, boiling an egg. I'm just gonna boil 1 because I don't need to boil more than, look at that steam, son. I think someone washed this funny last time. I'm just gonna pop that baby right on in there. Go, have fun. And I'm going to return to doing the rest of my stuff. And hopefully my egg has cracked. Lucky number 2. Okay. Lucky number 2, don't pop. I think it cracked as well. The trick, ladies and gentlemen, is to put a wooden spoon over the pot so that it doesn't boil over. It will boil over, and it's going to. Okay, so I'm making stock. Gonna ploops that into the pot. There's still bits in there. That's okay. We're going to get some more hot water. We're gonna ploops that in there. Okie dokie. So now we're gonna just slippity slide this. So now we wait for that to heat. It's time to add my dashi. Ooh, God, this is terrifying. So the recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of dashi. I'm not even sure if this is the right stuff, but in it goes. And give it a nice little stir to the boil. Now we're gonna wait for that to boil, and then we'll throw in the ramen, and you're almost done. Right, easy meal, I like it. Right, so our egg has boiled. It's bloody hot, and I'm going to pick it up. Ouchies, 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 look, it's split anyways. So now, we're on to the next step. The ramen. Flips this. Oh goodness. In there. Boom. I don't know if it's the correct thing that I bought, so we'll see. So I made an oops. I forgot to add this. And throw that. Ooh. Now we're gonna take our tablespoon. There it is. A nice big tablespoon of soybean paste. Get a knife. Swizzle that in there. Okay, awesome, fantastic. Stab out because I've messed this up quite royally. Ah, there we go. The smells are starting to come together. Oh, but it's looking good. Look at this. So ramen's finished cooking, and now bowl. I'm going to scoop my noodles. Okay. And I'm gonna. Oh, that looks good. Yeah. delicious. Build it. Yes. Oops. Put the rest of these onions in there. Delightful. Oh no. This is gorgeous. And the final thing we need to add is our ham. Fold that in half. I'm trying to make it look like the picture, but my bowl's real small. And that is, here's a side-by-side, mine versus Studio Ghibli. Obviously mine looks worse because it's in a teeny tiny pot. But let's see, I'm gonna taste it and see what it's like. But yeah, so now I'm gonna have a quick taste of my meal without spilling it everywhere. And let's see how Heather did. And yes, I hold chopsticks like a weirdo, so. And of course we can't forget ham! It's ham! Firstly, don't talk with your mouth full. But I'm so happy at this. I don't know, there's something pretty cool about being able to make the food out of the movies that you draw a lot of comfort from. Anyway, that's just such a special kind of experience. Yeah. Anyway guys, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my meal. It is delicious. Delicious. I'm excited. Thanks for sticking around, thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down in the section below, comment section down there. And yeah, do I say subscribe? Maybe do that too. Cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta. I don't know why I did that. Goodbye.